this is my first Banshee build. I've owned several of these. In fact, I've owned them for probably 15 years. About 6 months ago, the motor in this one blew up. It overheated. The pellet got too hot and melted. And I wasn't sure if I was going to pay someone to do it or do it on my own. And after reading over and over and over all the information on the Banshee HQ, all the information on YouTube, I decided to try to put this thing together myself. So I sent this motor off to Kevin Hur with Hur Jugs Racing. I didn't send the whole motor, I just sent the cylinders. He put a port job on it for me, cleaned them up, and sent me all the parts I needed to put back together. Gave me a ton of information. We're about to fire it up for the first time, so let's see what happens. And thank the new motor. Good luck.
Yeah.